Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I've really missed you guys and I hope you're all doing great out there in these hard times. Today we are making coconut oil and we all know the benefits that we get from coconut oil. Coconut has so many uses and I'll be happy to share with you some of its benefits. So now that I'm done cracking my coconut, I'm using my small knife to take the flesh out of the coconut shell. And once that is done, guys, we continue from there. Be careful at this point in order not to cut yourself. So this coconut shell is very good and you can use it for charcoal. You can also use it for decorative purposes. Okay, so don't throw it away. They are very useful. Now to our main ingredient. Since we're going to blend our coconut, we need to use the knife to cut it into smaller pieces. Okay, so that the blender can blend it effortlessly. Be careful at this point in order not to cut yourself. I'm transferring the coconut into a bowl and soon we will be blending our coconut. It's time for us to blend our coconut and I'm transferring the coconut into the blender. Once that is done, I'll add water above the coconut level. So it's now time for us to blend the coconut until it's nice and smooth, guys. At this point, if only you don't want to blend it 2 times or even 3 times, then make sure that you take your time to blend it as smoothly and nicely as possible, because this will help you to just do it once and for all by extracting all the milk that you need from the coconut pulp or chaff. We've blended the coconut enough to extract more milk from the chaff or the pulp, so it's time for us to separate the milk from the chaff. This smells so good. And guys, it's so pure. Can you see that? The best part is if you have enough coconut juice or coconut water, use that instead of the water and that will take your flavor to the next level. Okay, so guys, if you see this coconut chaff or chaff, don't just throw it away. It's very useful and you can use it for your coconut flour, which can be used for pancake and other amazing recipes. Very soon, I'll be bringing you videos on how I use this coconut chaff or pulp to make coconut flour and also to make other amazing recipes. So if you're interested and if you are new to this channel, subscribe already so that you don't miss out on my amazing recipes. So guys, now I've used my cloth, my cotton cloth. You can also use your chiffon cloth or nutmeg bag or whatever that you have to separate the chaff from the milk. Keep on doing this till you get a clear milk. You shouldn't see any chaff in the milk, okay? You can use the milk for your coconut curry rice. Look at that, so amazing. Also, your coconut fried rice. And guys, the result is so great. And now let's see, we have almost nothing in the cotton cloth. It means our milk is now okay. So lovely people, once we get to this point, most of us do it differently, okay? Once the milk is all good, clear, and ready to go, you either put it straight away in the fridge for the milk to solidify and separate itself from the water, or you let it ferment for 1 day, 2, or at most 3 days before you put it in the fridge for separation to take place. In my case, I did the second one. So now guys, we are back and now let's see how it got here. Mmm, what an amazing aroma. It's always advisable to let the coconut ferment for a day, 2, or at most 3 days before you extract the oil from the cream and curd. This way, your coconut oil will go a long way to be amazing. I love this aroma. It smells so good. When you are done removing the cream and curd from the coconut water, don't just throw it away because coconut water is also very useful. You can use that for making a delicious rice. Also, you can use it for your pedicure at home. All you need is to relax your feet in the coconut water and it's going to take away all the calluses from your feet for you to get a baby smooth feet. Now it's time for us to extract the oil. So guys, if you have enjoyed this video, give your girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe if you are new on this channel for more appetizing recipes. Guys, I hope you are inspired and definitely you will try this at home. I'm so happy that I've shared this with you, and we know the use of coconut oil go a long way beyond just cooking. It can be used for health, beauty, skin and hair. It can also be used for weight loss and many more. Guys, coconut oil has so many amazing benefits. This is it. Wait till the cream and curd turns brown before you let it cool down and then you filter out your oil. Otherwise, some of the water will follow your oil and then very soon your oil will go bad. So wait till it turns brown like this, okay? And this brown cream and curd can also be used for skin scrubbing, okay? It will help to exfoliate your skin very nicely. Just add honey and brown sugar. Then you are good to go, guys. We are all done. And look at the oil. It looks so pure. It looks so nice and beautiful. I love it. It smells so amazing. Thank you all for watching. See you all again in my next video. I hope you are inspired. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. I love you all. Bye bye. Stay blessed. Mwah.